GP.
Hi all, today we try to deep into the next pattern, prototype. The common thing in this pattern is cloning the current object to another object with the same behavior. Sometimes we don't know anything about the instance of class, and if we want to clone from these object fields and methods to another object field, we should find out all about the object. It's a problem, because usually we have a lot of instances of class, and these instances could have a lot of variants of completed fields, for example. But we don't want to do a lot of work. What should we do? I can try to explain how it works, and after that we will find true way. For example, we have a class user ID and login, for example, fields. We have two fields and one method. This ID, this login, this batch, for example, method which calls some information about this class. So log ID, this ID, login, this login, and we have some instances of this class. Some instances. The first user, new user, user ID. Okay, sometimes we have different fields, sometimes we have no values of the fields. Anyway, if we look at the code, we can see two different instances. And if I ask you to copy only one of the list classes and you don't know any about fields at this moment, but you have to clone the second user to the third user, it's difficult to do it. Of course, you can trace instance and after that resolve the task, but you can use prototype. This pattern helps you to clone instances anywhere you need. First of all, you should create class like this. And method clone. And we should return this instance. After that, you can clone the user. It's very simple to do. For example, var prototype new user prototype, and we can clone the second user, for example. After that, we create new instance, the third user, clone, and call method clone. It's very simple, and it's very interesting situation because we didn't refactoring our main class, our common class. And if you share your code among your team, you don't need testing all code, and you can save some time and money, for example. At the end of the video, we can check our clone instance. What should we do? We can change ID of the third user, for example. And the third ID 14, for example. After that, we can trace our classes. Okay, let's test it. Prototype.js. Okay, what we can see, the third user has ID is 14. It's very good because we have no links to the second user, and it's work. Good luck and see you.